Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing my Boxycharm unboxing from my base box. I'm still waiting for my premium to come, so anyway, the theme I guess is called Fresh Start. First thing I got was the Violet Voss I'll Love You Forever palette. I think that's cute. And that retails for $34. It's never an unboxing unless Blondie gets in my way. She's just a crazy kitty, that's all. Next I have this Queen, Blondie, hold on. I have this Queen eyeliner duo. One's a liquid, one's a pencil liner. I think I'll just give this to Mom because I don't use eyeliner. That retails for $28. Next is Seraphine Botanicals Apple and Balm Glow Lip Mask. What does it say? It says, boost hydration and glow with this protective lip mask formulated with shea butter, apricot, plus jojoba, and rosehip oils that works synergistically. Oh, that's a different word. To keep lips chapped-free, soothed, and plumped all at once. It's made with green apple and pineapple extracts to help rid lips of unsightly dead skin cells and fine lines. That retails for $25. $25. This was my choice item. This is the Avant Skincare Bi-Phase Hyaluronic Acid Rejuvenating Micellar Water. Infused with replenishing ingredients, Bi-Phase Hyaluronic Acid Rejuvenating Micellar Water presents an oil phase aiming to instantly dissolve resilient and waterproof makeup, and a micellar water phase working to capture impurities. It dissolves makeup without rubbing or rinsing. And this retails for $90. And the last thing that I got is this from Pharmacy. It's the Daily Greens Oil-Free Gel Moisturizer. An oil-free and silicone-free daily moisturizer delivers lightweight, lasting hydration without leaving skin feeling greasy. This vegan, cruelty-free formula contains hyaluronic acid and a blend of phytonutrients known to help clear pores and reduce shine. This retails for $38. So, not a bad box. I'm happy to have everything except for this eyeliner because I just don't use eyeliner. I mean, the one time I used eyeliner was to do the Cheshire Cat look on my channel. That was the only time I've ever used eyeliner, and wasn't to align my eyes because I can't do that. I mean, I think I used to when I was younger, but I just don't feel a need to do it now. I don't know. But anyway, I'll have the total of the box listed up here if I remember when I edit. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed. Give us a thumbs up if you like unboxing videos. Subscribe if you have not. We'd love for you to join the fam. And click the bell if you like more notifications from me. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.